What if you could build your own AI app just by typing what you want in plain English? No coding, no designing, no technical skills needed at all. Just describe your idea and Google builds it for you, completely free. That's exactly what Google Opal does. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use it step by step, starting from zero. Let's get into it. To get started, just search for Google Opal in your browser and click on the first link that appears. It will take you directly to the Google Opal homepage. This is the Google Opal homepage. Opal is a free experimental tool from Google Labs. It lets you build AI-powered mini apps using plain English, powered by Google's Gemini AI. No credit card needed, just a Google account. Take a quick look at the homepage. This is where everything begins. Now click on the Sign In button on the top right corner and sign in with your Google account. Once you're signed in, it will take you directly to the Opal dashboard where the actual tool lives. Before we start building, let me quickly show you what's here. If you hover over the Create New button and scroll down a little, you'll see the gallery, a collection of ready-made app templates that you can use as a starting point. Things like business tools, content creators, research helpers, there's a lot here. We'll come back to this later. Now, scroll back up and click on Create New. This opens the App Builder, the place where we actually create our tool. Let me quickly show you what this screen has. At the top, you'll see three buttons: User Input, Generate, and Output. These are for manually building your workflow step by step. But we are not going to use those today. On the right side of the screen, you'll see some options: Preview, Console, Step, and Theme. These help you test, debug, and style your app. We'll use the Preview section in a moment. First, let's name our project. Click on the project name in the top left corner and rename it to YouTube Video Summariser. Good habit. Always name your projects clearly. Now, here's the magic part. At the bottom of the screen, there's a prompt box. This is where you describe your app in plain English. I typed this exact prompt. Build a tool where users paste a YouTube link and the app generates a summary and 5 key takeaways from the video. Then I clicked Generate. And in under 20 seconds, the app is ready. Opal has automatically created the entire workflow for you. You can see the nodes it built, an input for the YouTube link, a Gemini AI processing step, and an output node for the summary. All done. No coding at all. Now let's test the app. Click the Start button in the App Preview section. It asks you to paste the YouTube link you want summarized. I went ahead and pasted the link of my recent Byte Plus C Dance video from my channel. Then I clicked Generate, and in about 30 seconds, it produced a full summary of the video. Look at this, a clean, readable summary with the key points pulled out from a real YouTube video, built by an app I created in under a minute. This is Google Opal. Now, let me show you something even more powerful. Go back to the homepage and scroll down to the gallery. Here you can see all the ready-made templates Opal provides. Diwali planner, fashion stylist, product research, social media post, there's a lot here. I selected the video marketer. Before remixing it, I hovered over the workflow to show you what it does by default. It creates AI video ads for your product. Now, let's customize it. Click the Remix button on the top right. Opal gives you a prompt box to modify the existing workflow. I typed this. Instead of a video ad, make this generate a full YouTube video script with a hook, 3 main points, and a CTA for any topic the user enters. I clicked Generate, and in under 50 seconds, Opal rebuilt the entire workflow. A video ad maker just became a YouTube script generator, just like that. Let's test it. I clicked Start in the preview. It asked me for the video topic. I typed the role of AI in content creation. Then it asked me for my target audience. I typed beginner content creators who are not aware about applications of AI in content creation. Then I hit Generate. In under 40 seconds, a full YouTube script. Hook, main points, call to action, all ready to use. And finally, once your app is ready, click the share button on the top right corner. Opal generates a shareable link instantly. You can send this to anyone. They don't need a Google account or any technical knowledge. They just open the link and use your app. That's Google Opal, completely free, no credit card, available in India, and you can build real AI tools in minutes just by describing what you want. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. It really helps this channel grow. Subscribe if you haven't already so you never miss a free AI tool tutorial. And share this video with anyone who wants to build their own AI tools for free. I'll see you in the next one.